Yes, Media for Markets is a specialized agency that caters specifically to the financial communication areas. Here we have several key focus areas, or columns of our business, so to speak, and conventional marketing is one of them. In this area, we are offering a wide range of different cross-media solutions. This means we are marketing in the print and TV area, online, and we are also marketing an extensive portfolio of different apps and iPad solutions. On the other hand, we are a specialized communication provider for the areas of corporate communication, ideas, and realization. As mentioned, Media for Markets mainly serves customers from the financial sector, most notably the Royal Bank of Scotland in the certificates areas, one of the Deutsche Bank in certificates, for example by way of Enitio TV. Starting with X markets through to UniCredit, we are attending to virtually all the banks currently active in Germany. In this day and age when we are always online, using all kinds of apps, the requirements and demand have changed fundamentally. Today, communication is in the fast lane. The entire financial communication, especially in the customer magazine area, has to reach customers as quickly as possible. All of the information must be up to the minute, and this is what prompted us to opt for Censhare, because Censhare gives us the opportunity to have articles contributed from London, from Munich, from our distributed editorial offices. Thanks to this solution, we have no time losses, especially with regard to processes such as legal and compliance. We have extremely fast access to text material. And of course, we have also put capabilities in place, enabling us to make this information available to our customers as quickly as conceivably possible. And this was the decisive factor here, because Censhare offers us all the functionalities required. This allowed us to take one step further so that we can make use of the full range of communication channels, whether we are talking about apps, on the iPad for example, and we can be sure to get the message and the contents across effectively, and across all available media channels if this is called for.
A system has to meet demands and requirements that extend beyond what an individual media channel or tool is capable of. For example, a system must be capable of creating a landing page, a website, or an application after the editorial closing date, after a magazine has been finalized.
At the moment, we are using the SaaS solution to cover the entire production process of our Märkte und Zertifikate customer magazine. In the near future, we will be handling the entire newsletters with this solution, which entails daily as well as weekly productions. As additional steps, we will be creating iPhone and iPad versions with this solution so as to cover all channels in a cross-media approach.
I believe that this convergence of media, this merging of the individual components, and therefore also the demands made on the system, and handling all of these channels by one single system, all this is extremely important.
We serve the Royal Bank of Scotland in the certificate area. Märkte und Zertifikate is a leading magazine in this area, with a readership of some 100,000, and we produce this magazine monthly. The publication has some 100 pages, featuring a lot of statistics, charts, and on this level, we work concurrently with a lot of different editors at many different locations. These editorial offices are based in Düsseldorf, Munich, and New York, for example, and they are able to work via secure systems on the internet and can all deliver the texts directly to us.
With regard to myself and my department, Censhare primarily supports me by providing the option of accessing an app and the application involved directly from the system without having to start programming again, right from the beginning. In other words, I can use the system with which the contents were created and can go to work on the app.
Media for Markets. Our corporate vision is quite clearly that we regard ourselves as a leading financial communications provider, active in the areas of cross-media marketing, cross-media ideas, and cross-media solutions. And that is why we offer an independent solution for each individual element, whether this is for the online area, TV, or for print. We create with individual approaches, and together with our customers, we develop a wide range of individual options to ensure that we reach the target groups to 100%. And this is where Censhare supports us in many different ways. We regard the solution as a platform that we use to get the messages to customers in a very immediate, direct, and rapid manner across different channels. We also appreciate the solution because it takes a burden off editorial offices, streamlines processes, and enables advanced, leading-edge communication.